Hello and welcome to RESPCARE 442, which is sleep medicine. This is an overview course for respiratory care majors that seek to further their knowledge in related fields. I hope that you will enjoy learning sleep medicine concepts and procedures which can be applied to your everyday interactions and treatment of your patients in the respiratory therapy setting. It is extremely important to understand and to be able to identify when a patient may need to have sleep assessment and follow-up, especially in the critical care setting. Just a little about me. My name is Jennifer Freeman, and I have also been a student of the Boise State University Respiratory Care Program, graduating with my Bachelor of Science in 2011. And I currently hold credentials as a registered respiratory therapist and a registered polysomnographic technologist, which is an RPSGT. I've been practicing in sleep medicine for a little over 6 years now, with extensive experience in pediatrics, including newborns of only a few days and adolescents. I've also worked extensively with all adult and geriatric age groups, along with patients in critical care settings. A little additional thing, I currently hold the office of Vice President with the Idaho Sleep Professionals Association, in which we organize and hold Idaho's annual sleep conference. This has been a unique opportunity to work with and get to know other sleep medicine professionals, both locally and nationally. Throughout this course, please feel free to email me or contact me with any questions you may have. I will respond to your communication within 24 hours, within reason. Obviously, I will not be available in the middle of the night. Sometimes weekends will be difficult, but I will do my best to communicate back with you. I look forward to working and learning with you throughout the next semester. The purpose of this video has been developed to help students navigate, maneuver the course site and provide tools for success in this class. Some of you may already be familiar with Blackboard and its components. However, this is more a tour unique to this course site. If you are not familiar with Blackboard, there will be some resources outlined later in this presentation that may be of some use to you. First of all, you're going to want to log into Blackboard from the Boise State University website. Here it's the https, the blackboard.boisestate.edu. Get in here, put your credentials in, and go ahead and log in. So once you get into the Blackboard page, you're going to see over here in My Courses your class for RESPCARE 442 Sleep Medicine. That you'll go ahead and click on that to take you into our course site. And then once you get into our course site, the first thing you will come to is our announcements page. And it will be used to post updates and to keep you informed. I will post announcements that have pertinent information for the whole group, including any changes that I may have made along the way. This information will also be emailed out to all participants in the class as it is updated. The announcements also will display from oldest to the newest. Oldest at the bottom, newest at the top. This particular email at the top and communication is specific to how to get started in this course. You will have received it in your email. And so it's very important to keep this, look at this each week and every time you log in to make sure that there hasn't been any changes. Over here on the left, this is called the course menu. There are a bunch of tabs here that have different sections of the course, and I will quickly work through these tabs to show you what kind of information or tasks that might be contained in each of these sections. First, again, here's the Blackboard help. If you click on this particular page, it will open up a Boise State website, kind of a help page that can help you navigate through some of your issues, and it will open up in a separate window from your Blackboard site. There is also a help button down here, which will also take you to the manufacturer's Blackboard help page. And again, it will open up a separate window for you so it does not navigate away from your Blackboard site. So both of these pages have a multitude of information that I think will make navigating through Blackboard a lot easier, as well as giving you some resources to make contact if you have issues. I hope you don't run into any issues, but if you do, these resources should be quite helpful, as well as you can contact the help desk at Boise State. Also, if you encounter issues that you feel will interfere with submitting an assignment on time, or you are unable to view information, please contact me immediately, and I will do my best to assist you. Up here, over to the top tab, here is the course dashboard. It's just basically a quick view of what kind of current announcements, tasks, new items, and to-do list type things. So you can keep track, and it will update each week. The second tab, of course, is your announcement. This will drive you back to the announcements page if you've navigated away from it. The third tab down, syllabus and schedule. I have housed the course syllabus, the class schedule, and my contact information here in the syllabus and schedule tab. As you can see here, I will be posting most of the documents to this course in PDF format, except for assignments that you will open and work from. These will be published in Word. In the weekly lectures, here you'll find lecture content for each week. I will open week 1 here, and it will kind of give you an idea of what to expect. So at the top, you will find kind of a list of items that need to be completed throughout the week, and then you'll want to make sure that you complete these items as they are listed numerically. Next, you will find any reading assignments to complete and or videos to watch for the week. Additionally, you will have reading from the course textbook, Fundamentals of Sleep Technology, each week. I will also provide an additional resources in this section that I feel will supplement your knowledge of the subject. At this point, I would like to point out up here at the top, these are called breadcrumbs, and instead of using your back arrow, you can see here that this shows you that you are in week 1. But if I want to navigate up to the next level rather than hitting my back arrow, I can click on this weekly lectures and it will drive me up 1 level. So these are kind of useful for navigating, especially if you have to drive down into several layers of the course. You can use these to navigate back up through and kind of retrace your steps back down in there. In the assignments page, you will find any course activities I have assigned in 3 categories. There's going to be a weekly quiz, homework, and discussion board. And at the very end, there will be a final project. For week 1, you will go in here, and discussion board and the weekly quiz have been assigned. So click in each of these and complete the activity as outlined in the assignments directed in the week 1 content there. Here on the left again, the discussion board. This is just a secondary way to access discussion boards. Aside from the assignments page, where you can go directly in this way as well, and it will have kind of a prompt of what you're going to be talking about. The next tab is My Grades. It's just a real quick display of your graded assignments with their assigned point value, due dates, and brief description. As assignments are graded, your points will display at the far right of the page along with the points available. Right now I don't have anything, but when this comes up, it will be easy to view and navigate. There will be some web links that I've included to various websites that I feel are informative, and these links are helpful to complete some of the assignments throughout the semester and provide additional information that may help solidify some of the more difficult concepts. I will direct you when these links may be referenced. You'll see here. There's a library resources tab, which I think will be super beneficial for you. It actually is a respiratory care home resource page that includes links to many medical library databases and provides a direct contact to our Albertsons librarian. As you see over here on the right, that is specific knowledge of our needs. This is a great resource which we'll want to familiarize yourself with if you have not already. You will also find information on the American Medical Association Manual of Style up here, one of this tab, which will be applied to all of our formal writings that you submit in this course. So great resource up here. Again, those do open in a secondary window, so you don't completely lose where you're at here. So you can navigate back to your announcements page, or I'm sorry, to our Blackboard page. The last tab I will talk about is Tools. You'll find a plethora of links and resources that you may have a desire to learn about or use. There is a list of Blackboard options with their description, and if you click on them, it will drive you to that page or tab. There are other resources that you may find helpful, such as academic materials. You can purchase the textbook for this course using this link. At this point, you will not be required to use any of these, but I would recommend getting familiar with them at some point. And that's it. I hope that this will help you out getting around in this course site. We will continue to communicate, and I hope that it will be helpful in completing this course. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, and I will respond to you within 24 hours. Thank you for choosing sleep medicine and working toward completion of your respiratory care Bachelor of Science degree. I hope it will be interesting and rewarding experience for you, and I look forward to working with all of you throughout this semester, and good luck. Thank you.